sound. They didn't think I was loud enough or obnoxious enough, so they gave me this speaker to put on.
I'm going to set up a scenario, okay? You're there.
Mm-hmm.
You just did Take Me Out the Ball Game.
Yes.
7th inning stretch. Oh, it's break time. Ted runs into the bathroom, doesn't realize that his amplifier mic is still on. And
but
action.
It would be on me, so it'd be like, hey, yeah, this feels good. I've been hydrating all day. Sanitize that. Sanitize.
Okay, back to work.
Let's go Royals.
All right.
Too much?
Well, I'm good with it.